Apex Instruments encourages you to use or perform any maintenance on this equipment safely. In this video, we may show an icon that conveys a safety hazard or risk that is associated with the operations performed. Be mindful of inherent hazards such as pinch points, sharp objects, or shock injuries.
Hey, I'm Joe Thompson with Apex Instruments Technical Service Group. I'm going to tell you a little bit about thermocouple damping or offset in consoles with the E170 electronics package. To calibrate our thermocouples on our console, we'll need to use the TC offset feature. To access this feature, we'll need to open our menu by pressing and holding the previous screen or menu button for 3 seconds. Once the menu appears, we'll use the down arrow to scroll until we get to TC offset. And we'll press select to enter TC offset. For this calibration, we'll need a calibrated reference TC simulator. We'll plug this simulator into one of our channels. In this case, the stack channel. I've set my reference TC simulator to 1000 degrees, but it's recommended to set your reference TC simulator to the upper range that you're likely to experience out in the field. As you can see on the console, my value is about 2.5 degrees above what my reference TC simulator is reading. I should be at 1000 degrees here. So I'm going to provide offset so that my console temperature value matches my reference TC simulator. To provide the offset, we'll use the arrows. In this case, I'll use the down arrow. So I'll press the down arrow until my temperature is at 1000 degrees, like my reference TC simulator. Once I'm around 1000 degrees, I can press select to capture and save the value, and an asterisk will appear here that signifies this. These calibrations transition to every channel of the thermocouple switch, so you won't need to do this on each channel. You can pick any channel that you choose. Once we've selected our value, we can exit out by pressing the previous screen button, and we've completed our temperature calibration.